Okay, so a little progress update on where we are at with the BRZ. It is on its way to being completely rebuilt, have most of the parts. Just need to get a couple other things to finish the assembly. But we got the engine together, airbox on, most of the core support in. Today we got out the Ecutech, retuned it to stock since we've taken all the aftermarket parts off. Got everything hooked up for that, and now we're going to attempt to start it. It'll be the first start since we got the car off the trailer when it was shipped to us. It did start when it came off the trailer, drove into the garage with no headers, no exhaust, no nothing. But now it is tuned back to stock. We are running on a tank of E85 because I talked to the previous owner, so I know it was running E85 and a turbocharger previously. So all that has been removed. The car has been tuned back to stock, like I said. The engine has been put back together, made sure no oil leaks, no issues. The injectors were changed back to stock injectors. Only thing we are missing right now are basically three components. The radiator and condenser are not in the car, so I can't leave it run for too long once it does start because there's no coolant in the car. We have those here, just don't have all the pieces to bolt them into the car. And the third piece that is missing is the front pipe. We have the entire rest of the exhaust is on. Exhaust manifold, over pipe, mid pipe, and muffler. We're just missing the front pipe. So here goes. Got a new battery in the car. Let's see how this thing sounds. All right, so awesome. So it starts up good, idles good, compared that it's running E85 right now and doesn't have the full exhaust. So don't think we have any engine issues. So can't wait for Tuesday to get here. It is currently Sunday, July 14th. So can't wait for Tuesday the 16th to get here because that's when the last two pieces for the radiator will be here, so we can get that installed. Also, the airbox or airbag controller will be back, as well as the seat belts that have been removed from the car because they were deployed in the accident. You see we've already got the airbag replaced, but that airbag controller will be back, as well as the seat belt. So we'll get the interior button back up, hopefully either Tuesday night or Wednesday night after work, and get that radiator installed, get the cooling system bled, and have a runner. Hopefully be able to drive it Wednesday night or Thursday and have that up on video too.